Olá, bem-vindos a mais um vídeo da Nascimento, Bancos e Adaptações. Estou trazendo hoje uma adaptação que nós fizemos neste Palio 4 portas, onde adaptamos o banco do Fiat Idea. Como sempre, sem fazer nenhum tipo de furação no veículo do cliente, toda a nossa adaptação é feita no banco. Também fizemos a troca do carpete do assoalho, junto com a troca de toda aquela espuma, o feltro que fica abaixo do carpete. Como vocês podem ver, banco correndo no trilho do Ideia sem nenhuma dificuldade. Ambos os bancos correndo no trilho do Ideia. Ambos com manopla para inclinação do encosto. E banco motorista com alavanca para regulagem de altura, para cima e para baixo. Também foi feita adaptação para o encosto traseiro, ter os 3 apoia-cabeça e também rebater no bipartido. Como vocês podem ver, apertando o botão aqui na lateral do encosto, você pode rebater apenas um ou apenas o outro.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble.